So, welcome to day 6 of 25 Days of Essentialism. And the start of this section begins with explore. How can we discern the trivial many from the vital few? And in order to discern that, we need to do exploration. And we live in this time in our world where there is so much happening to take us away out of thinking and creating time. And there's so many options and we have so many responsibilities that, exploration is important. And I wrote this down after kind of reading this book. This section was that the importance of focus with doing that. And we need to explore so that we can discern and which is the right option for us to do, what's most essential. And you explore so we can discern. And from that discernment, we take the discernment and then we make a choice. But to create that, we really do need to sort of escape, which is what this section is about, is escaping. It says the perks of being unavailable. This quote by Pablo Picasso says, "Without great solitude, no serious work is possible." I fully resonate with that. And so at the top of page 64, he has this no-call Monday thing. And he says he does this because he knows people can't figure out what is essential if they're constantly on call. They need space to figure out what really matters. He wrote, "I think it's critical to set aside time to take a breath, look around, and think. You need that level of clarity in order to innovate and grow." Down at the bottom of page 63, he said, "Before you can evaluate what is and isn't essential, you first need to explore your options." You need to explore your options. And if you haven't explored your options and have clarity on that, that what often I wind up doing, maybe you wind up doing, is reacting, having unintentional reactions to things. You just do something. Oh, let's do this. Let's fix it with this, instead of having intentional action. What is intentional action? That you've thought it through, you've taken some time. What's the best course of action to take? And so this is an interesting section for me. And I also on page 66 at the top, it said, in order to have focus, we need to escape to focus. And for me, that is totally true. So I hope this chapter was stimulating to you. Hope you're thinking of some ways that you can escape. Please share in the notes your favorite quotes. And also, if you have not downloaded the free Essential Journal, please do that. It's a PDF. It just gives you a way to capture your ideas and thoughts and insights and the actions you're going to take to move forward. So this is Jeff with Pie of Genius. Until tomorrow, have a great day. Bye-bye.